Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we will show you how to recharge the AC system on that Volkswagen Jetta MK5. Stay with us, we will show you how to do that. Also the same for a Golf as well. So stay with us, guys, we will show you how to do that. Don't forget to check out our main channel, it's growing crazy fast. What you need to do, you need to open the hood, you need a couple cans of Freon or one big one. Okay, and when you open the hood, you can find on the radiator support, you can find actually the amount of refrigerant that you need for your Jetta or Golf. Okay, this one is 525. Always check yours, different engines and different years might have different capacity. One little can, guys, it's 340. So we need to add 2 cans, will be too much, 680. So can and a half will do the trick on this one. Okay, and you can see that's where the low pressure side is located. This one is a TDI, so it's right next to the fuel filter. A little bit hard to reach. The gas engine is a little bit easier to reach there. Okay, we'll see now. You need to make sure that you connect it good. Okay, and what you need to do next, you need to go inside the vehicle. Okay, well, yes, first we need to unlock it. And you need to make sure the AC is on, the fan is on, and you start the car. Okay, so now in our case, we make it on cold all the way. Okay, like that. We have the fan on, make sure the fan is on. Everything is good. Okay, and now AC is on, and we're going to go ahead and add refrigerant to it now. Okay, you can see the fan turn on, so that's a good sign. If the fans don't work, your AC will not work as well. Alright, guys, and in our case, the system wasn't empty all the way. We have the deal here, okay? That's not the most accurate thing, but right now it's about 70 degrees, so we need to be between 25 and 45 pressure, and we're a little bit over 35. So we'll just go ahead and leave it with 1 can, but if we need to, we want the half of the second one later. We'll check and see in cold weather what the pressure is as well. But so far it's freezing cold inside. Okay, guys, you can check it's less than 45 degrees. It's close to 40 when I go all the way high on the fan. So that's plenty cold. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.